In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a table in Slack. If you've ever tried to create a neat visual table directly in a Slack message, you've probably noticed that the regular chat composer doesn't really support a true grid style table. The easiest and cleanest workaround is to use Slack Canvas, which is Slack's built-in document space for richer formatting and more structured content. It's a great option when you want to organize information clearly, especially for project tracking, team updates, or simple data lists. To get started, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Then go into the workspace where you want to create the table. From there, select any active channel or direct message from the left-hand sidebar. Once you're inside the conversation, look toward the top right corner of the chat window and click the Canvas icon. It looks like a split page note symbol. When you click it, Slack opens the Canvas editor alongside your conversation, giving you a dedicated space to build your content. Now that the canvas is open, click anywhere inside the empty editor area where you want your table to appear. On a new line, type a / to open the block insertion menu. This menu lets you add different types of content into the canvas. You can either scroll through the list until you find table, or just type the word table into the search field to find it faster. Then click table, or simply press enter. Slack will immediately insert a blank 3x3 table into the document. Next, you can adjust the table and start filling in your information. Click on the table to reveal its editing controls. If you need more space, use the plus icons along the top edge to add columns and along the left edge to add rows. If you need to remove part of the table, use the drop-down options from individual cells to delete rows or columns. To enter content, just click into any cell and start typing. You can also format the text inside cells using regular shortcuts, which is helpful if you want to emphasize headings or include links. Once your table is ready, the final step is to share it with the right people. In the top right corner of the Canvas editor, click Share. Then choose the channel or team members you want to notify. After that, click Share or Post to Channel, depending on what Slack shows in your workspace. Your canvas will then appear directly in the chat as a shared card, and others can open it,